Y'all already know it's your boy Rob 3.5G. Let's get it. Before this video actually starts, smash that like button, comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you guys will not miss a single video. And if you guys are new to the family, please hit that subscribe button on the right hand corner. I'd appreciate that very much. Currently on the phone right now, we're here. Alex, the homie, me and this, we used to drive those big ass 53-foot trucks far as hell, guys. You guys already know. We used to drive, he's right here on the phone. Ooh, y'all hear him right there. Say what's up, Alex.
What's cracking like YouTube? What's up, YouTube fan?
He's saying what's cracking like in YouTube. What's up, YouTube fan? Y'all already know what the deal is. We're about to go to Automotive tonight right now. No, I'm not gonna go in my car, guys. My car sadly has way too much miles, wastes a lot of gas. So I'm about to ask my dad right now if he lets me drive his car, and I'll give him put gas in his car. You know, we're gonna go to the Automotive meet, guys. AA Automotive in Anaheim, Park and Chill. Sadly, I can't vape today because I don't have my vape on me. But I'll be getting that soon. I'll be getting that fixed in 3 or 4 days, guys. That shit will be coming in the mail in about 4 to 5 days, guys. Stay the hell tuned for that. Have the batteries right here. That shit sucks though, because I can't even use my vape, guys. I don't have a tank, but I'll probably be using Mojos. I'll be taking my box mod. So it's been your boy Rob. How resume the vlog right now. Stay the hell tuned, y'all. Resume the vlog once I'm in my dad's little Bia. Peace out. Stay tuned, y'all. In the whip, currently eating a taquito. Alright guys, this shit's are fire, man. I made these homemade. About to go to A Automotive right now. About to get there ASAP to La Puente, because it starts at 9 o'clock. Let's get it. Give you guys a cold start. Woo! Got tummy. And my dad has it all the way to the F. Gotta make sure to pull gas in my dad's car and everything, y'all. Like, it's hot in here. I'm sorry. You already know your boy gets super sweaty fast, and I have a sweater on. But hey, tonight's gonna be an amazing one. Like always, y'all already know, smoking my blunt right here. It's badass blunt, huh? Got my dad right there. Y'all hear me live in action. Arizona. Buy my ass coffee. Right? Aquí ando fumando un blunt, mira. Un blunt.
Pero no se comer allá adentro.
Yeah, pues estoy comiendo, boludo. My dad always getting mad, guys. You already know. But I was in the vlog right now, guys. I'm about to smash out over there to that point. Once I get to Juan's pad, he'll be in the vlog right now too. We're about to go to A Automotive. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna get a bunch of nice cars. Hopefully it doesn't get ratchet like always, but let's get it, y'all. It's been your boy Rob, and I was in the vlog right now. Stay the hell tuned, y'all. Peace out.
Bitch, I'm thugged on. chance nigga. I'ma go get her when the last laugh ass nigga. Better be prepared to pull some skill, but I still do that quicker. I guess you couldn't see me, nigga, like you didn't get the picture, like you didn't get the memo. I phoned him like we do the limo. Learned that from my nigga Kimbo, bitch, that shit was plain and simple. Run me like a fucking pimple, I'm the ruler of these triples. See my dogs to go and see you, rip you like you was some tissue.